My name is Shaharul Islam. This is my first time appearing among you with a new video. I hope you don't mind my video. I am making today's video to introduce myself. Greetings and best wishes to all those who are watching my video now or will watch it later, young and old. I will tell you a little about my brand now, and you will tell me your introduction in the comments. I told you my name first. I am still studying. I don't do any work, so I thought I'd help the boys and girls of this digital age a little instead of sitting around. Everyone thinks I wish I knew a little English, but everyone thinks like this, especially those who are studying in grades 6 to 10. And I think listening to English is also very important. So I decided that from now on, I will give everything in English on this channel. I will give many stories in English on this channel. I will check the comment box and I will give the story that you ask me to give. But I will not give stories copied from somewhere. If there are any stories that happen to you, please give them. I want you to support me a lot. Because I have wanted to make videos since I was a child, but I have not been able to do anything yet because I do not have a good phone. I hope that if you are by my side, I will go far. I will give 2 videos a week, and I can also give shorts. And I haven't told my parents about these things. If I ever get your support and go far, maybe then I will tell my parents. I will do this along with my studies, so I don't know if I will be able to go forward, but I want your love. If I have it in my head, I will definitely be something one day. Inshallah. I want to say that people make mistakes. If you see any problem or mistake in my English, please show me. That's all I had to say today. I will come back with something else another day. Thank you to everyone who has been listening to me for so long. May everyone be well and healthy. Allah Hafez.